Hey everyone, welcome back to Hella Fat Vegan. I'm Sarah, and today we're going to be making some gluten-free chow mein. Let's get started. In celebration of Chinese New Year, I am doing one Chinese recipe every Monday for the rest of the month after Chinese New Year. And this is recipe 3 out of 3, so this will be the last one for the month, but don't worry, there's going to be a lot more Chinese recipes coming soon, so be sure to subscribe to my channel and turn on the notifications so you know when I come out with new recipes. Okay, so chow mein is typically made with wheat noodles, so to make it gluten-free today I have used brown rice spaghetti noodles. So my mom actually used to make her chow mein with spaghetti noodles, so this will be kind of similar to her recipe. So just follow the instructions on the package on how to cook them. Normally you want to stir it occasionally, just to make sure that the noodles don't stick together. It'll be a big clumpy mess and we don't want that. So I've also done some prep work already. I've sliced up the cabbage, shiitake mushrooms, onions, and green onions. I cooked the brown rice according to the package. It took about 10 minutes to do that. Over here I have the tamari and gluten-free hoisin sauce that is also vegan. First off, you want to use either a wok or a large pan. So I don't have a wok, which is pretty surprising, but I'm going to be using a large pan here. And you'll want to make sure it's on about medium heat. I'm going to just add a bunch of oil to the bottom of the pan. You can use any type of oil. I'm using olive oil. So you want to cook all the vegetables first because they're going to take a while to cook. So now the veggies and the mushrooms and everything are all cooked, and I'm going to add in all the noodles. And then I'm going to pour over all the sauce on top of it. And then just kind of break up all the noodles. And then just mix everything all together and let it cook for another couple of minutes. You can also add some extra oil to the pan to cook as well to help it fry up. Feel free also to add in any additional tamari, hoisin sauce, salt, and any white pepper as well. All right, it's all finished. Super delicious looking, super hot. Yeah, so you can eat this with your favorite Chinese dish. You can pair it with my fried rice recipe and my egg roll recipe to make a Chinese feast. You can eat it with just some steamed vegetables or maybe some soy curls or any type of meat alternative, or with meat, who knows. If you haven't done so already, subscribe to my channel, give this video a thumbs up. Hope you try out this recipe, it's super delicious. Reminds me of my mom's chow mein recipe. All right, I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.